Hey everybody, welcome back to the gaming channel. In this video I necessarily don't have anything about gaming, but this is certain videos I'm going to do like this, installs and certain softwares and downloads, and we get into that part of it too. Mostly gaming. As you may know, January 14th, 2020 has passed us around about a year and a half now, because it's we're in May of 2021 or whatever month we're in. And as of January 14th, 2020, Windows 7 has ended its support, sadly. Ended its support for mainstream. If you're an ESU user like me, you get ESU support, of course. But we all have to move to Windows 10 now. Most of my computers are Windows 10. This one is not. This one is... I'll get into this now. What you're looking at is what I call the sludge-hammered Dell Latitude D360. It is a Dell Latitude laptop. If I can pull it out here, literally, yeah, you see what the screen was smashed. The CPU fan blew up or died. Doesn't work anymore, so I had to shove a huge CPU fan in the back there, plug through a USB. The battery started recently charging, so now I can turn on, or it's got battery backup support, I guess, now. It's a 32-bit software or architecture, Intel Core 2, Windows Vista, 4 gigs of DD something, 4 gigs of RAM, 165 gigabyte hard drive, HDD of course, 4 USB ports, 1 monitor port, 1 serial port. It's got wireless, it's got Bluetooth, it's got wireless network, it's got Bluetooth, it's got an Ethernet port jack, it's got a headphone jack port, and I have no idea what. There's other port right back here, and then you got your microphone port. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing Windows 10 today. I don't think this PC can handle Windows 10, but we're about to find out. So, we'll get booted up here. No, we're not. There goes the battery. We're not even plugged in. I'm going to keep this PC plugged in the entire time as well. Keep that battery charged, always. Battery is definitely not in a good state at all, but I'm surprised it charged 100%. Probably only lasts like 10 minutes, but 10 minutes of backup battery support, or about an hour backup battery support. Some point in time in the future, I'm definitely going to create this into a desktop PC. I'm going to mold it and create it for it, and it'll be a desktop PC with a built-in battery backup unit. It should be really awesome. Of course, by those times, we'll probably have crazy advanced software, and this will not even be able to be used anymore, but yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dual boot Windows 10 and Windows 7 for the moment, because I want to get rid of Windows 7. If I have to get rid of Windows 7 and Windows 10 doesn't work, that'd be pretty stupid. And everything, actually, there's the touchpad and everything still works, so I can still maneuver here. So I already went to the Microsoft download page, and I'll actually show you guys where that is right now after it's getting done loading in. I don't believe this computer can handle Windows 10. Windows 10 system requirements: you need like a 1% gigahertz faster, or like a 1.0 gigahertz fast processor. You guys can normally look this up. System requirements. I recommend 4 gigs of memory. They say like you only need like 1 gig. That's not true. But I will be installing a 32-bit software, and that's a lot faster. Alright, so right here it says create your Windows 10 installation media. You can download the tool now, run it, and all that. I already have it in ISO form in a boot drive, and I'll show you here. I'm going to be doing dual booting. You don't need to do this. If you want to upgrade your PC, you can just run the tool, and it'll take about like 5 hours to complete. So sit tight, make sure you're not doing anything that day, and do that. I'm going to show you that I have 2 right here. So this is my Windows 10. It's got 52 gigs. Gigs is recommended I at least have 100 gigs and more. That's what I recommend. Windows 10 takes up a little bit, and then whatever your applications you install are going to take up a little bit. Yeah, so then now we're going to shut down, and we're going to boot straight into the boot drive itself, that's actually plugged inside the monitor right here. See how good we can do there. We're gonna do USB storage device. And it's blinking right there. I don't know if you can see it. Now, if everything's working correctly, it'll boot. There it goes. This is an Intel Core 2 Duo. This computer really should handle Windows 10. I know the processor might be a little bit slower, but I have another Intel Core 2 Duo 64-bit processor on. It's an HP EliteBook 6930p model, and that computer handles Windows 10 pretty alright. Alright, so here we are. Make sure you guys can see this properly. I don't know if you guys can see the words. Camera's being a little bit strange. I can't really show the words, but English, US, this is how I'm going to do this. And you can actually do repair a computer if needed, and then we're going to install. Okay, so this is where you activate your product key. Problem with mine, I don't have a product key. Let's press I don't have a product key. Yep, it's gonna let us do that anyway. So I'm just doing it like, it's almost like an evaluation edition where I'm just not gonna activate it, and we'll have so many, So we're gonna do Windows 10 Home, because this computer there's no way this computer can handle Windows 10 Pro. So we'll do Home Edition. Last update was 2018. Pretty old, but still pretty good. We're going to do a custom. We're going to do the Windows 10. We're going to proceed. And there we go. Now it's going to sit here for a while and do this. It will literally probably be a while, so I will come back when this is complete. And I'll catch up you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I came back, turned the screen on, it's doing this just a moment, so I'm sure that it's completed. With that one part, I really hope it is. It's doing something right this moment. So I've installed Windows 10. I can't count how many times I've installed Windows 10, but Alright guys, so it seems like it's complete here. Well, we're not far from done with this computer though. So, region, United States. So the spinning's a little bit slower.
Your keyboard is set to US.
Cortana.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Oh my gosh, this thing's got a mic on it? Didn't know this computer had a mic on it. What? That makes this even more awesome. This old Dell's got a freaking
now let's get you
thing on it.
connected to a network. Now we have some important setup to do.
Okay, so typed in my internet and everything. Didn't want to show any of that to you guys, of course. Important setup to do as well. This is pretty self-explanatory, too. It's pretty... it's pretty... Windows 10 is pretty user-friendly. And I know you guys are going to talk about how...
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
How they watch you and everything, how Windows 10 they like to look at your information. Some of that is true and some of that is not. It's the way Microsoft does things,
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Kind of said it better myself.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
Okay, I had to enter all that information in.
Want to set up a PIN?
Sure. Why not? Gosh, you guys, only this Dell Latitude was in perfect condition. I would so love to have this laptop.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends.
I would love to have this laptop, like, just fully functional. I could carry it around everything,
now let's
you know.
link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices.
Nope.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for...
I'll do that later.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
Nope. You guys can do that if you want to. They'll ask you if you want to do
Hey,
some
look,
of these things.
that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to...
Nope.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Sure. Alright, then it's going to do this for about 5 years, and then... I'm just being sarcastic there, but then once it's done doing this, we'll be done, and we'll get into Windows. Oh yeah, so the really cool thing is about this PC is that the little additive is, you know, the whole battery situation, because, you know, I could do this right for you guys right now, even while it's setting up, because, you know, I'm not really worried about, you know, anything bad happening. This is what I could do. If it wasn't for the fan, I wouldn't have any problems. But this is the main problem here. So I'm going to pick this up. Okay? Oh, here's the internet thing. I hope Windows is getting ready there, but I want to show you guys this anyway. I'm going to unplug all of this, except for the fan. Unplug the monitor. Just unplug the battery. It's still working. It's all still doing what it's doing in there. So I can literally, like, carry it around, and it's a laptop. This is what it was supposed to be, you know? It's so sad that, you know, if you guys can help me turn this into a desktop PC, it could be a little mobile desktop PC. All you do is plug it back into things, you know? It sounds really stupid, but, you know, or if I can make, like, a holder case that it would sit in, like this, a big old holder case or something. I don't know, but, you know, or a way to get a new, or if I could just buy a new fan for that, but as I mentioned before, it's not that easy. I know that wasn't a gaming video, but some of these install videos need to happen because some of you guys need to understand what is happening and how to install Windows 10 and things like that, because I know some of you guys out there might still be using Windows 7 like me. I still use Windows 7 fully to this day, and but most PCs need to be Windows 10 now, which is a sad thing. And January, probably 14th of 2023, will be, I'm going to do a remembrance video of Windows 7, because that's the end of the ESU, and that'll be when Windows 7 is completely gone. It'll be a sad day, but if you're a number 7 user. So, all right, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. I thank you guys for getting me this far. What you guys do helps me do. Just keep. You guys help me keep doing videos. It's awesome, and I want to thank you guys so much. So again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.